Hey, what's up, Force fan? Back at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing chocolate covered marshmallow. All right, today's ingredients will be using candy melts, sprinkles, some food coloring, chocolate chips. The main ingredients will be the marshmallows, some parchment paper, some gel icing, and some toothpicks. First, going to be attempting to make the Frankenstein. So the first step will be to lock in your toothpicks with the candy melt. Go ahead and let that dry so you can create a good base before you dip it in. Guys, here's the finished product. I didn't show this on video because it is a lot messier than what I thought it would be, but here are some fun ideas, quick and easy for Halloween. Let me know if you like these, comment down below.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the For Sure Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya!